All right. Hey Sylvia. Thanks for posting your link. Basically, I'm looking at your website right now. It's sgmoneycoach.com, and I think basically what I believe that would make this make your site 10 times much more better is if you pretty much choose a font pairing that would go well with each other. Because right now, like I mentioned in any other teardown that I've been doing in the past, is that you do have one, two, three, four. Man, I even believe there's about five different fonts that you're using right now. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it doesn't match exactly how your overall design. And I would definitely invest a little bit of time using stencil and things like that, and actually choose the templates on there. That way, the graphics would look nicer. I like that you're consistent with posting. Probably not a lot to post, but I see that you're posting pretty fairly. So I really like that. But if you're wanting to get more leads, I definitely put the budget bootcamp challenge on the homepage rather than having the blog on the front page, unless that's what you want to do. And then if possible, I would take out this one, put your copyright notice on here, and just delete this one entirely because it doesn't really connect per se. So that's definitely something I would look at. And I know this one's a text, but go to a site like logojoy.com and just kind of like start with like a simple logo design that you can download for free just to kind of get started. And then when you have like a bigger budget to pretty much invest on a proper logo, I definitely look at Upwork and things like that to get your logo nice and clean. I like how this review pop-up is showing up here. um, I believe it adds a lot more credibility with your knowledge. So I would definitely keep this one. Um, and then if you're gonna add an icon here, I definitely add one more just so it kind of doesn't look like it's just it's just one thing right there. If you do have any social media links, I definitely add that on here. Just to kind of like give your blog readers a way for them to kind of like get to know you on other social networks. I like this shade of blue, but again, like I said, the fonts will really pretty much help you make your site look more professional, especially since you're about budgeting and things like that. So that just pretty much adds more authority, better positioning, and just overall credibility. Just because you change two different things on your website. So I think that's something that I definitely look at. And again, the graphics. All right. Stencil has pre-made templates that you could use for any of your blog posts. So I definitely take a look at that one. There's no extra charge for it, so that's just one of those things. All right. Thanks again for posting your link. See ya.